SpeedTech Lights was founded in 2005 with the purpose of making high-quality and affordable warning lights accessible to all first responders and public safety professionals. The high cost of LED technology made it near impossible for everyday professionals to access a reliable product. That's where we came in and transformed the industry forever. My name is Malik Diaf, President and CEO of SpeedTech Lights. We provide equipment that is meant to protect people's lives each and every day. I take that responsibility very seriously, and I instill that same belief in every person here at STL. Over the years, I've focused heavily on finding the right people who value the safety that our products provide as much as I do. No one works harder, cares more about what we do, or respects and appreciates our customers more than the people at SpeedTech Lights. We understand the responsibility we have as a company to deliver a reliable product. We focus heavily on streamlining our manufacturing process for efficiency and precision, using high-tech machinery, testing all LEDs and components throughout the entire production process. No matter your needs, our team is always here to help. We go above and beyond for our customers, doing whatever it takes to provide you the best solution for your application. We provide innovative tools on our website to drastically enhance your shopping experience. And by pre-building and stocking products so they're ready to ship upon order, we're always finding ways to get your order to you faster, all to give you the best shopping experience possible. It's crazy to look back and reflect on how far we've come. Back in 2005, we were operating out of a small 600 square foot warehouse in Dallas, Texas. Now we're outfitting vehicles in over 100 countries all over the world. Our customers are our heroes. You face the unknown every day in order to protect us and keep us safe. We're honored to be able to serve you. From all of us at SpeedTech Lights, we thank you for your service.